If we want to open safe mode on POCO F7 Pro, first of all we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna press power button and volume up to open the power menu and just power off. Once the device is completely off, we need to press and hold the power button until you see the POCO logo. Once you see the POCO logo on the screen, you need to count to 4, and after that press and hold the volume down button. And so we're gonna press and hold the power button first. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now press and hold the volume down button and keep holding it until you feel another vibration when you see the HyperOS. So I felt vibration, so now I'm gonna go to the safe mode. There we go, as you can see we are in the safe mode. Now if you don't feel the vibration just before the HyperOS text, then most likely you will just boot into the normal mode again. So you might need to try again. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!